Okay, I'm going to be opening a squishy ball thing. Shout out to Maxo Base for forcing me to go freaking horizontal. Hold on, let me get. How can I do this? How can I set this up so it looks like. Okay. Okay. So, here's the opening thing. I don't know how this looks. Okay. I'm gonna be opening it. Yo, it's looking kind of whack. Well, okay, so like so it obviously squeezes. So the stuff inside was kind of crappy. It wasn't that soft compared to the other ones. So open it up. There's the top. No. So here's what's inside. This white stuff. And it's like putty. I'll take a bit out. I don't want to. There. Yeah, it's just putty. See that, YouTube? It's just putty. It's literally it. It's really sticky. But yeah, it's just putty. Alright, that's the end of the video. Bye!